like a Hellcat.
What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis, back again with another reaction video. So finally the long wait is over. The Chiiung team has just dropped this mom versus son rap battle, and many of you guys have been requesting me to react on this one immediately after the release of this one, and yeah, we are down for it. I'm very much excited and eager for real. So without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just dig in, dive in and enjoy the rap and check out what the Chiiung team has for us on the table. And I'm very much excited for Kong Thrash. Hey, and guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and be a part of the family. And to all the subscribers, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been showing constantly. Also, do follow me on Instagram. You know, I follow back genuine followers, so this is my Instagram ID. And yeah, let's just jump straight into this comedy video and let's vibe into it. Hey, let's go.
12 đang main video này qua open tip EP vậy cái nick video the sponsor daga GHM Guest House.
Hey, shout out to GHM Guest House.
Bypass Mintru Caroline Colony, West Jantia Hill District, Jowai,
West Jantia Hills District,
GHM Guest
Jowai,
House.
Meghalaya.
Thao ko khoi wa ko safe ye ki nong lai nong lai.
Hey, I would love to visit this place.
GHM Guest House em ka Children's Park ko khud ki ke Angels Garden. Hapo ke Angels Garden.
Nice facility.
Ki swimming pool ye ki khana.
Please go and visit, guys.
Mini bridge, swing and seesaw, a tree house, a spring horse and duck ride, a revolving platform, multi-playing station, climb rock wall, walk a viewpoint, a wayusok, wayokanjai.
Very good for children and at the same time for adults also.
Ki kamera wa khoj wa ka loj wa em wa ki attached bathroom.
Wow.
Yipi wan ra di kari le jong.
Hi-fi.
Ka parking space man ka ko he ka wa biang. Hakani ka guest house em ka le ya ka fast food corner wa ka restaurant wo ye pu yo ku chai ki jingba hapo ka guest house em ko ka conference hall ne ta ki party kam ki birthday celebration ki wedding reception ne ki one ki chai celebration ye jing te bu company ye pu contact hakini ki numbers
Miri sounds Nazren. I saw the trailer the other day. Hey, this is Chiiung intro music. Hey, Kong Thrash. In reality, he is very handsome dude. I was seeing his live yesterday.
Ôi nông bang pengen. Nông bang pengen.
Prodigal.
Nông bang pengen. Lem siam. Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Hey. Hey.
I love Kong Thrash attitude, man. Salah.
Drill tu cukup ni.
Bila?
Boleh.
Drill rap.
Your friend dia tiap.
Mestinya tu.
Lah duk ni Vino.
Yo, come on, mom. I'm busy.
Untuk bumi ni dia ada.
Yo, come on, mom. I got no time for this. I got no time for that. I'm chasing my dream. I want to buy a Vans this. Vroom. I want to be a rock star.
Dia pun ada.
Yeah.
Kaya tu kau strike dengar baik.
Come on, mom. Pim satu pikat one koridor ni balik aja. Yang thought lyrics kata, I want to be a rapper, mom.
Hey, big
Dia
dreams.
memang koridor no. Kau bang di Usman no. Lihat hal tu ni. Ngah bai du krek ni man ke ski man ke mit. Ngah ke skriong pi.
Come on, ni baik. Nin mian tau ngah offset aja.
Oh. Meaningless. He He can do both.
Belajar dong ngawale bro.
Wash the
Guys.
dish also.
Yo.
And at the same
It's a
time,
rap battle
rap also.
between these two.
Oh, come on.
On my
Hey.
right corner, give it up for the flow killer,
Hey,
Lil
flow killer.
Wino. Okay.
Lil Vino.
Now, from my left corner, give it up for the beat monster, Gong Trash.
Hey, Gong Trash, the beat molesters.
Oh ha, temu suruh matu.
Bluetooth device is ready
Oh
to
baik.
pair.
Dah dah.
Hey. Let's go.
Kekam serang Arya di bang pengamat minengah.
Oh.
Iak mikmat kicik
Aha.
sekam balik ubun pisah. Ukupok lasa nembar. Hey, menuka.
Oh.
Hayung ngesemen ini miwum yok tang chi tengka.
Oh, that's a great roast. Okay.
Imi akan thai ka beyong nga ite wo ro da bna. Dim ko do chiliang ikmat upa da peleka. Ko wen ko da kiki upa na din wo kodong yika. Wai ko sa iktien hui was maraja.
Hey. He got the moves also.
Hai tai kajing sma. Wano da ka frame yo ne inam ye namrta. Yo wan pa ki lock yo yok ki post selfie ya ka. Yo post ki has status de vino singara.
Gong Thrash punchlines are more stronger.
Da deba kau set. Da wer lu tu isma. Las mala sait lam set. Yo nga isingara. Pecua ya ledi. Ham klambing do yang nga. Lakat wars nam kat tu. Ijuk be isuna.
Makan ka be yang ni. Hati usok pisah. Tok kami pe ki telun lembong wa mi celak. Hakmat yang mi semen. Da sngau ba mi debat. Hai iwa pe nadin. Yo kamu tu saat.
Ini orang style te mekat ni. Entok kai por yung pi, ipor amrush puri.
Oh, Amrish Puri, the villain.
Chapi wom tipiki. Laja karkana objet no ki ini.
Okay. Come on. Gong Trash, let's
Sampai
go.
pagi kat ni. Kini ki matrik pas. Marsin senang ki rap. Da senyau ke lekat tupak. Ni gani gaji ni. Ni wani chinong yung pi. Pet pet bahapi. Yo kam ke lekat biri.
Leftover biddies.
Agdon ni tercelak le kau kang 11 dahun. Hajan kecan yung mi, yay jarang kau pentun. Baby terstart kami ke bari charge na ngapan mi. Ketugas ngi 1K kecil kti yung kaya masakti. Man kes ngi teli ke religi krim ki text biar ki. Ijing ke liwe emain kecan yung mi nan yok ki. Kaki ke krele empere jing im slading tare mere. Ikti nai te skremere ikaman te rapere.
Hey. Lil Vino.
Yo pelai ap yung mi lekat ugo winda. Lepet ye kop yung mi yo kam de mi wapsa. Tangka pelai yung pik us di dan kop mi kat cengah.
Eh.
Dia lah sakit tiar, tuan di spiang wanga.
Bars. Go and wash the dishes and come and dish with me.
Ai ka be bai wakhi chitom yanga usnyo ko le de jrong de song yo por ko khlong pai chakabai ki vi isne do yeli kau spen
I thought it was over.
isne de song temen
Oh.
Ooh, fire, bro, fire. Best.
Yeah. Fire. Serious case.
Kendi benai kid me pak po anga.
Emotional अत्याचार.
Yo insol mi haj perthai kam ni.
Damn. By the way, Lil Vino got murdered, got bodied. Oh. Damn. that hurt her so bad. Wrinkles. Later that day. Oh, damn. Locked. Sad, man. Try to steal the key, I think.
Lo vai frishing at no.
งานอะไรเม่เนาะงานยี่เราใคร
You can argue anything with your mom, but what did he say? You can argue anything with your mom, but don't call her an old woman for real. Hey, this was really awesome. It was really funny and I really enjoyed this one. Man, once again, shout out to the whole team, man. And guys, if you haven't watched the original video yet, please go and watch. The link is in the description. And I'm a huge fan of Kong Thrash and also Lil Vino. He also have nailed it. His acting is amazing. And I'm a huge fan of Kong Thrash, man. He is for real very funny. He or she is real funny, and I really loved it. And yeah, shout out to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing. You guys are awesome. Hey, let's go Northeast for life. Here we go. Thank